Hi everyone! Right, so we're going to make this card. First off, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold the base part of the card. It's all scored already, so just go ahead and fold it. There we go. And then the next part is to unfold and stick all the elements on. So I'm just sticking the side panels on, and there's two stockings to go on each side panel. And then the fireplace, so we stick the fire on first. I've used a really nice multicoloured card for this. And then the mantelpiece, the stockings on the mantelpiece, and then the bottom sentiment. And you're done. So simple.